Hello friends, myself Ron Sharma and I'm here to speak few words on the topic let the justice be done though the heaven may fall. Friends, this phrase is actually taken from the Latin phrase fiat justitia ruat caelum and is invoked by Lord Mansfield in 1771, which conveys the idea that justice should be realized regardless of consequences. So, friends, what does justice actually means? It's nothing but moral rightness of all human beings based on their tendency or their nature and their rights, etc., etc., without discrimination on the basis of age, sex, gender, etc. As far as I think, justice can only be realized in accordance with equality. Freedom and equality is nothing without justice, or you can say justice is very important. So isn't it justice that everyone should get what they deserve? Yes, friends, we are independent. We can only say that justice is realized when everyone gets what they deserve, what they want. We all are born with equal rights, though it may be a beggar or it may be a prime minister, but the real guilty is guilty. Now, friends, there are different kinds of justice like organizational justice, recruitment justice, and there are other etc like natural justice, etc., etc. We have infinite number of instances where the establishment of justice becomes so important. I think all of you are familiar with recent midday meal case in Bihar where many innocent children died or student died, but no one is looking justice for them. So can you say that we are free? No, friends. We have to put efforts. We have to make justice for them. Now there is another example, or you can say there is other thing which is preventing the development of our country, which is corruption. Yes, my dear friends, from top to bottom all are corrupt. We have examples like coal spectrum, 2G spectrum, Commonwealth spectrum, etc., etc. Though there are some social workers who are doing good job like Anna Hazare, Baba Ramdev, Arvind Kejriwal, etc. But the real culprit or guilty is still walking free. Now, friends, as you know, India is the country of gods. But nowadays, people are calling it as the country of rapists. Yes, my dear friend, there are lots of rape cases happening in India. So, what kind of justice is that? There is no strict law against it. We youth should come front of we should youth should come out of our houses and we have to take some steps. So at the end, I just want to say that where there is justice, equality, and freedom will be highlighted. Thanks. My name is Ronik Sharma.